Hello, in this video we're gonna do a little unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I already have taken out the device, and over here I have the box, so I'm gonna show you everything that is inside the box, and I'm gonna quickly show you how the device looks like. So we're gonna start with the box. There is not much in the box. We won't definitely find the charger, as it seems that there is now the standard of Samsung devices that the chargers are not included in the box. However, inside over here, we can take a look what we can find. We can still find we got something more over here. There we go. We have the USB-C cable that we can use to charge our device, of course, as long as we have the charger. But still, anyway, if you don't have a charger, let's say from your old device, then you need to purchase one, and it is recommended to get the original Samsung charger, as it works the best with the S24 Ultra. So, of course, besides the cable, we also have a bunch of papers, so that's obvious, like the quick start guide over here, nothing much. And over here we also can find the pin for the SIM tray. So of course we can use it in order to open the SIM tray. On the reverse there is nothing much, and that's really about it. We don't get the case. It should not be included really. And like I said, there is no charger, and we can also find some information about the charger at the back of the box. So let's take a look. Over here we can see that the charger should not be included. By default, it is not included. And over here we can read the recommended charger. What should we use? And we should use something between 10 and 45 watt charger. So yeah, that's literally everything that we have in the box. No headphones, no case for the device, no nothing really going on over here. But of course, the main star of the box is the S24 Ultra. Now, this is how it looks like. The screen is quite big, not gonna lie. I think it has like 6.8 inches, I believe. And at the top, we cannot really find the headphone jack. It is not included. Over here, we have 5 camera lenses and the flashlight in the middle between these two. At the bottom, of course, we have the USB-C, we have the SIM tray, and we have the S Pen, which is a really great addition to those devices. So you can take out the S Pen really easily, and then we can use our S Pen in order to write something on the screen. And of course, on the right side, we also have 3 buttons. Over here, we have 2 volume buttons, volume up and volume down. And we also have the power button that is actually called side button for some reason by Samsung. So side button or side key, formerly known as power button as well. And that's pretty much about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!